Welcome back to the Spanish Club. Today we're on lesson number 4. Lección número 4. Lección número 4. So we have a picture of an aeroplane over here, and in Spanish, the aeroplane or the airplane is el avión. El avión. Wonderful. So we're moving on to category 9 of words. And with category 9, we're going to look at words that end with a ty in English. And we're going to try converting them to Spanish. Okay? So if a word in English ends with a ty, to change it to Spanish, what you do is you change the ty to a dad, and then you have the Spanish version of the word. Okay, let's try hands out. For the capacity, as you can see, it ends with a ty. Okay, so we change the ty to a dad. All right, so we have la capacidad. La capacidad. Okay, now let's look at these words here. So we have la curiosidad, curiosity. La comunidad, community, the community. La dignidad, the dignity. La electricidad, the electricity. La humanidad, the humanity. La personalidad, the personality. La prosperidad, the prosperity. La publicidad, the publicity. La variedad, the variety. Wonderful. So we have some words to remember. Make sure you take your notebooks and your pencils or your pens and write these words down. So we have café, which is Spanish for coffee. El tren, Spanish for the train. The train. El tren. We have sopa, which is Spanish for soup. El avión, Spanish for the airplane. Una ensalada, Spanish for a salad. El aeropuerto, Spanish for the airport. Una aspirina, an aspirin. La estación, the station. Eso es ridículo. Eso es ridículo. That is ridiculous. Anoche. Last night. El taxi. The taxi. Tomé stands for I took. No tomé, I didn't take. Now take note. You see this bar, this short bar on the top, lets you know it's in the past tense. Okay? Take note of that. You'll understand why later. Alright. So tomé, I took. No tomé, I didn't take. Tomó usted? Did you take? Okay, so we have a conversation here. You can always practice with a friend. We have ¿Tomó usted café esta mañana? ¿Tomó usted café esta mañana? Did you take coffee this morning? Did you take coffee this morning? Sí, tomé café esta mañana. Sí, tomé café esta mañana. Yes, I took coffee this morning. ¿Tomó usted café en el restaurante? Did you take coffee in the restaurant? Sí, tomé café en el restaurante. Yes, I took coffee in the restaurant. ¿Tomó usted la cena en el restaurante? Did you take dinner in the restaurant? La cena stands for dinner. So, ¿tomó usted la cena en el restaurante? Did you take dinner in the restaurant? No tomé la cena en el restaurante. No, I didn't take dinner in the restaurant. ¿Tomó usted roast beef? Did you take roast beef? Sí, tomé roast beef. Yes, I took roast beef. ¿Tomó usted beefsteak? Did you take beefsteak? No, no tomé beefsteak. No, I didn't take beefsteak. ¿Tomó usted sopa? Did you take soup? Sí, tomé sopa. Yes, I took soup. Or I ate soup. Alright? ¿Tomó usted una ensalada? Did you take a salad? Sí, tomé una ensalada. Yes, I took a salad. ¿Tomó usted una aspirina? Did you take an aspirin? Ay, no. Eso es ridículo. No tome una aspirina. Tome roast beef, sopa, una ensalada, etc. Ay, no. Oh, no. Eso es ridículo. That is ridiculous. No tome una aspirina. I didn't take an aspirin. Tome roast beef, sopa, una ensalada, etc. I took roast beef, soup, a salad, etc. ¿Preparó usted la cena anoche? Did you prepare dinner last night? Sí, preparé la cena anoche. Yes, I prepared dinner last night. ¿Tomó usted un taxi esta mañana? Did you take a taxi this morning? Sí, tomé un taxi esta mañana. Yes, I took a taxi this morning. ¿Tomó usted un tren en la estación? Did you take a train in the station? No, no tomé un tren en la estación. No, I didn't take a train in the station. ¿Tomó usted un avión en el aeropuerto? Did you take a plane in the airport? No, no, no tomé un avión en el aeropuerto. No, no tomé un avión en el aeropuerto. No, I didn't take an airplane in the airport. We'll move on to the sentence forming exercise. This is very important. Make sure you write these down in the book, in a notepad. It's very important. You have to form these sentences yourself. You have to get the feel of writing in Spanish as well. It's very easy. Just go apply yourself a bit, okay? So, as always, the objective is to take a word or words from the first column, from the second and the third, and put them together to form a complete sentence, all right? So, for instance, we have tomó usted, we have café esta mañana. So you can just simply say tomó usted café esta mañana. Put them together. So, tomó usted café esta mañana? Did you take coffee this morning? Or you can take tomó usted roast beef and en el hotel and put them together to form a sentence, right? So we're going to have tomó usted beefsteak en el hotel? Did you take beefsteak in the hotel? Okay, so that's the idea. Okay, so you can pause the video and look at the columns and pick the words and form the sentences. Okay, wonderful. So we have a lot of words in each column. Make sure they make sense as well. Very important. We have an exercise in translation. Okay, so this is more like an assignment, sort of. Okay, so we have the words, or the sentences, in English. So it's your job, it's our job together, translate them from English to Spanish. So we have from 1 to 17, okay? Don't worry, seems a lot, but then if you follow the rules, everything will be fine. We'll be done in no time, okay? So the first one, we have I had or I took roast beef. Okay, so I had is in past tense. Okay, so tome with a little dash at the top of the E. Okay, so tome roast beef. Simple. All right, so that's the first one. Okay, the second one will be, because in English you have I had or I took a salad in the restaurant. Okay, so it becomes tome una ensalada en el restaurante. Tome una ensalada en el restaurante. Okay, so that's the Spanish equivalent. Okay, so the third one we have I had or I took soup. Tome sopa. Tome sopa. Very simple. Okay, so now you do the rest from 4 to 17. Okay, you can pause the video. Okay, do from 4 to 17. All right, try not to look at the answers until you're done. Okay, and have fun with it. All right. Okay, so when you're done, you can check the answers. You can pause the video, look at the answers, and compare to the ones you have. Okay, and it's fine if you don't get it all correct. Okay, you don't always get everything correct. It's fine. Okay, as long as you're making little improvements, that's all that matters. Right? Wonderful. So we have a remember card here. So just some words, sentences to remember. Tomó usted café, la cena, sopa, una ensalada, una aspirina, chocolate, té, un sándwich, un taxi, el tren, el avión, esta mañana, esta tarde, anoche, en el hotel, en la clase, en el club, en el tren, en el avión, en la estación, en el restaurante. You have tome, no tome, tomó usted. Okay, so all these are words to remember. All right, so most important, you have to do this exercise in translation. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so that's the end of lesson number 4. I'll see you next time. Adios.